Homemade pasta is something that adds a little bit of extra to a plain pasta dish, and it's so easy. So we have a pasta machine and I do use it all the time. It's something that I use to roll out dough when I make ravioli, tortellini, lasagna noodles. But what I want to do is show you how to make homemade pasta with just a few ingredients and no special tools. If you are new here, welcome to the Culinary Cam YouTube channel. My name is Kamala, and I'm really excited to share with you how I make homemade pasta with just a rolling pin and a cutting board and a knife. Let's get started, and I have a special guest today. Our son Riley is going to help me roll out some pasta. This is a red pepper dough that I made earlier. I will link to that video in the description below. This hand-rolled pasta doesn't use any special tools. You just need a rolling pin. We have 2 rolling pins, and if you don't have a rolling pin, you can use a wine bottle or anything cylindrical. So you take your dough ball and you cut it into quarters. That's a really easy size to work with, and you just want to flour your workspace. So we are going to flour our workspace with pasta flour. You just want to dust your workspace, get your dough, and you're just going to roll it out. Okay, so the great thing about this process is you just roll it out into as flat a piece as you can. I'm not very precise or good with measurements, but I'm going to ask my engineer here. How thick is that?
3 millimeters about.
3 millimeters. What is that in inches? The length of what you roll out is the length of your noodle. So you're just going to roll it out to 3 millimeters approximately. And then you're just going to roll that flat cylinder or flat pasta into a cylinder. And then here you can make the pasta whatever width you want. You know, if you wanted to make lasagna noodles, you could make them about 3 inches. You can make pappardelle, which are about 1 inch. Fettuccines, a little bit thinner than that, and linguine. I wouldn't recommend going much thinner than a linguine just because of the thickness. And then you just unroll them. And there you have hand-rolled pasta. And then after we roll it out and shape the noodles, then we will add some semolina flour so that it doesn't stick together. And there you go, hand-rolled, hand-cut red pepper pasta. If you like this video, please click like and definitely click the notification bell and subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you. Oops, runaway pasta.
I won't go black.